It's a rainy day today, and I have Charlie Brown with me. I was thinking I will show you and let you listen to the wind sound of the wind. I also want to continue with my message, with the message that I mentioned the other day about sticking to routine. For example, today is a rainy day, and I will still have to walk in. But I pick a time that is suitable when it's not raining that hard. Then I do the walk. So that's good for him and good for me. Kind of similar in learning the Dharma and in life. Doesn't matter what the situation look like. If we decided that we're gonna do something, in this case learning the Dharma, then we stick to the schedule, and every day we put in bit by bit so that we can progress. I'll show you the sound of the wind again before we end today's video. See you next time. Be well.
Paschat Bhakta Pinda Parta Pratikrantah